Can you describe what happened this morning?
Assalamu alaikum. Today is a very emotionally traumatic day for me. I traveled, like 13,900 kilometers all the way here just to meet my sister. It was very difficult for me. I had to build up my emotions, as you've been following my tweets as well, that, coming back again, and what did I do for her? She's still locked up. But I did want to see her, and I thought she would also feel, consoled seeing me. But unfortunately, as I went into the prison and I got inside, and they took me in after the security clearance and everything, and when I got into the cell where we were supposed to meet, unfortunately, they couldn't get any key to fit in the cell. I mean, they couldn't get me inside a prison cell in a prison. And they tried, and then they said that we're sorry, no key seems to be fitting in here, and we can't give you any other place. And though they had also brought عافیہ out, they took her back in, and I had to leave. And all I could do was just, when they said that you can't meet her coming so close, all I could do was just burst into tears. And I was like, but why can't I just, all I want to do is just give my sister a hug. And they said, oh, you're not allowed that, it's going to be through the glass only. And then I waited and tried to get Clive, and just waited there, and I sat there crying, and I asked the lieutenant if he could do something, and but no one would help me. And I'm here back again, all the way here, and I still haven't been able to meet my sister.